It's no news that TikTok as a platform for e-commerce has been absolutely taking over. Some people still neglect it, but for the most part, I think people are starting to understand that it's extremely powerful. And at Ekemi, my main business, we work with a lot of brands that do a lot of TikTok organic and run a lot of ads. And really, that's kind of our goal, is to be in that intersection. But in this video, I want to watch this with you. It's a viral video by Jordan Brown about TikTok organic secrets. I want to see if we can dig in, find some golden nuggets here, and maybe learn something that we didn't know about. I think he's going to talk about this $4 million in 30 days brand. I think I've made a video on this brand before as well, but maybe he'll have some other stuff to talk about, which I think will be interesting. We always do these videos. You guys love them. And yeah, I got a few organic projects right now that are starting to cook and that have been actually getting pretty great results lately. So always looking for more knowledge that I can put into action, and you guys should be doing the same. So let's get into it.
If you've been on TikTok for more than an hour in the last month, then chances are you've seen this shadow work journal over 1 million times on your For You page. This journal came out of nowhere last month and is completely taking over TikTok with over 205,000 sales on the TikTok shop.
That's crazy.
Within the last 30 days alone. It's getting anywhere from 5,000 to 10,000 purchases every single day. And
I actually remember not too long ago, like maybe a few weeks ago, I stumbled on the TikTok page of the author of the Shadow Work Journal, and she's a young girl that just decided to make this book, and now she's printing like millions of dollars every single month, and largely because of TikTok Shop. So kind of crazy how it can help authors really blow up their books, and this is such an amazing example of that.
Journal is selling for $20, so if you do some quick math, that's over 4 million in sales in just the last 30 days, and around 100,000 to 200,000 a day in sales. And believe it or not, the only thing she's doing is utilizing the TikTok Shop feature and making organic videos. This journal is basically a modern marketing wonder, and today I'm going to explain exactly how she did it, but most importantly, show how you can do the exact same thing with absolutely $0 spent on advertising.
Let's do it.
All right, now these are some really bold claims, so let me jump in my phone and show you what I'm talking about. This is one of the many TikToks that creators are posting every single day promoting the Shadow Work Journal. This one right here is a super low quality video, super basic, 50,000 likes. And if we go in here, you can see there's over 202,000 sales of this product. So I was a little off on my numbers. They're growing at an insane rate. Yesterday, they were at 180,000 sales. So they grew like 20,000 sales in a day. And I'm sure by the time you're watching this, they're probably at 250,000. You can see the journal sells for $20. I've never bought something off the TikTok Shop, so it's giving me a huge deal for $8.
Oh yeah, that's the biggest thing too. When you're a new customer, TikTok will literally subsidize so much of the price of the product. Like in this case, 60% off. I don't know how they do this and provide different discounts for different people, but this always happens. And for a new product we just launched on TikTok Shop, for example, we've had a flash sale of 30%, and it's been pretty powerful. Like that makes a massive difference in your conversion rates.
And I'm not really sure how that works, if TikTok takes the cost or if the author of the journal is actually selling it for $8 for people that are buying it for their first time. So even if everyone is purchasing it for $8, getting the first time purchase deal, that's still 1.6 million in sales in the last 30 days. And I'm sure most people are purchasing it for full price. But what's crazy is the money that she's making off TikTok Shop isn't the only money she's making. She has an Amazon store and a Shopify that she just set up.
I'm so happy that he's touching on this, because this is what I talk about a lot lately. And I've even tweeted this because, I've been in contact with some of the 8 and 9 figure Shopify stores, and I've been trying to get them to see the light on TikTok Shop, but a lot of them just don't want to listen because they see it as a short-term, little cash grab, right? But the reality is that when you go viral on TikTok, the effect that it has on the other sales channels is incredible. Like I've seen it firsthand with a few stores that we work with that do like 2 mil a month on TikTok Shop, but also now print 1 million a month on Amazon, and now 500K on Shopify. It's pretty insane stuff. So let's see.
This is her Amazon listing right here. We have the second generation one that's done 418,000 in sales in the last 30 days, and her first one's done 404,000 in sales in the last 30 days as well. She has a ton of other journals as well. We'll look over those really quick. This is her name. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Keela Shaheen, but she has a bunch of other journals in here, and I'm sure they've made a ton of money as well. I just can't track the exact sales because I'm not paying $80 a month for Helium 10 that shows me all the sales on Amazon. So she's making millions a month on TikTok. TikTok, millions a month on Amazon. She's now selling this product on Shopify as well and has done over 102,000 in sales within the last 30 days. So now that we've seen some proof of all the sales, let's get into the strategy, talk about the TikTok shop, and break down how she's doing this. The first thing you need to understand is the TikTok shop feature. It's brand new from TikTok, and essentially it's a one-click shopping experience that's fully embedded into TikTok, so people don't have to click links to go to different storefronts. TikTok is taking a 5% sales commission for every purchase, so this feature makes them a lot of money. So anyone who makes a video that has the TikTok shop embedded in with a product in the video, they are extremely incentivized to make that video go viral. Let's jump into my
I almost feel like also videos that have that tag on them just get pushed by the algorithm more. I don't think that's entirely true, right? And there's nothing to really confirm that besides a few insiders on TikTok, on the TikTok shop US team that I've gotten in contact with. But I still think it's kind of a shot in the dark in a way. But if you can tag a product in your TikTok shop, I think your likelihood of going viral is much bigger.
Phone and show you some of the bizarre videos that are going viral just because they're utilizing this feature. So I'm gonna have the audio off, but here's the first example. It's just a girl saying that she's never gonna use an ice cube again. It's a crazy basic video of her using a ice face roller product, and it has the TikTok shop feature. It has 10,000 sales, and they're selling it for extremely cheap because it's just a small piece of plastic and they're probably bulk ordering them off Alibaba. But this video would essentially never go viral if it didn't have the TikTok shop feature. Here's another example of a video that would never go viral. There's no hook, there's nothing engaging about it, and it has 870,000 likes, and it's just promoting a water bottle. They're selling it for $4 and they have over 40,000 sales. Also, another cool thing about the TikTok shop features, you can scroll down and see a bunch of other products just like it, and everything is getting a lot of sales and free traffic. But let's jump in and study some of the content that's specifically made for the Shadow Work Journal. So here's the first example. It's a super basic video. I promise this would never go viral if it didn't have the shop feature. Super simple, super easy.
Oh, baby duty. I'll have to tend to that after this video, but yeah, I think he's probably right. These videos would probably not go viral if it wasn't for the TikTok shop feature.
If you go on TikTok and
they're so low quality, but at the same time, people do like the low quality, authentic reviews of products. And it's a really interesting thing going on, a really interesting trend. I feel like normal, traditional UGC, where it's like very scripted, it doesn't work as well anymore, but the raw stuff really does work well.
See a video about the Shadow Work Journal and you interact with it, you're gonna start seeing thousands of these videos. The real secret behind why all these videos are going so viral and why there's so much traction around this product is because creators are also getting paid to make content about the journal. For example, I could go into TikTok, make my account a business account, enable the TikTok shop feature on my videos, and make a video talking about the Shadow Work Journal, and anytime I get sales with the shop feature on my video, I get an affiliate commission. So the reason these videos are spreading like wildfire is because TikTok's getting paid to promote them, and that essentially costs them nothing. They just have to give you views. And creators are also getting paid to make the videos. They're also incentivized by TikTok to get a ton of views, so they're making a good amount of money. All of this funnels back to Keela, and that's exactly how she's making millions a month on TikTok. And the crazy thing is it doesn't cost anything to use this feature. TikTok just takes a 2 to 5% commission per sale, and all you have to do is make some
It's getting lifted to 8%. We made a video about this recently, but yeah, it's gonna be 8% now, which is kind of a bummer, but still super worth it for
really
brands.
Basic phone videos promoting a product and ensure that that product is in the TikTok shop. Another reason this journal is going extremely viral is because it has a high conversion rate. A lot of people are purchasing it, which incentivizes TikTok to promote it even more, which is also incentivizing the creators to make more videos, so you can see how this basically goes on forever. Trust me guys, I've been in
Okay, sorry about that. Had to pause this real quick, but let's continue and finish this off.
Opportunity like this. And the beauty behind all of this is it's incredibly simple to create a store right now, get it set up on the TikTok shop, and utilize the exact same opportunity that she's using. If you want to learn exactly how to set up a Shopify store, integrate it into the TikTok shop, then make sure you check the link below this video. I have a 100% free course that's over 20 hours long that teaches you everything you need to know, that Keela's using to make millions in sales with no money spent on ads. Inside the course, I go over how to find a winning product, how to easily get worldwide fulfillment with fast shipping, how to build your website, website, how to legally set up your business, how to set up the TikTok shop, how to make viral videos, handle taxes, hire employees, and truly anything you would need to know about e-commerce. Inside the course, I'm constantly making new videos anytime strategies change and anytime there's new marketing opportunities, just like the TikTok shop. The course is truly 100% free. I only make money through affiliate links on there. There's genuinely no catch. If you're still struggling after going through the free course, I have a paid community group where you can get one-on-one access to me and my team of student success managers to ensure you're on the exact path you need to be on to have success with your dropshipping store. I even host a weekly contest for someone to win a 1-hour free coaching call with me. Inside this call, I analyze your product, your store, your brand, the content you're making, and ensure you're on the correct path. This opportunity with e-commerce is insane right now. It's truly never been this easy. You don't even have to have money to get started. You can learn from me for 100% free. You can set up a Shopify store for $1 a month. You can create free videos on TikTok using your phone with the chance for them to go insanely viral, spending $0 on ads. So if you want to start an e-commerce store, quit your day job, and start living life on your own terms, then please make sure to check the links below this video to join the free course and the private community group if you need some extra help. I can promise you it's the best place to be if you're trying to start the entrepreneurial journey. We have a ton of young, successful guys in there that are walking the exact same path as you. It's time to take action, guys. I don't know how long TikTok is going to be wildly promoting
That's definitely true.
This feature. So make sure you go jump in the free course and learn everything you need to know to get started. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Well, I'm going to obviously tag this in the description. You can go check all that stuff out. But yeah, I mean, this was pretty good. I would say it kind of highlighted and case studied this brand really well. And yeah, I mean, I think the best thing you can take away from all this is go take action. You know, this isn't going to last forever. And there's always going to be a new opportunity. But if you start now, then by the time the next opportunity comes in, you'll be already on your way, you know, to success, or you will have already experienced a lot of success by then, so you can capitalize on it even more. So just take action. That's really a major key here. And yeah, shout out to Jordan Brown. Amazing video. And I love all that free course stuff that he's doing. I think that's incredible. Education should definitely be free. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this and subscribe for more. Peace.